So the day frustration kicked in. I thought I was gonna get these things in, but it will have to wait until next week. I got my bulbs. The problem was in the sequoia. I don't know about the tundras. It might probably the same thing. I had these Morimoto ballasts. They're old, and I threw them away because I tried to mod them to get in the fit. But I had the adapter to go to the straight to the bulb, so I just take this out and put the igniter for this. But it would not allow me to put the headlight in because it just bumps. And I tried grinding it down, but it didn't want to get in, so I said to hell with it. But it also gave me a chance to test everything out. So my solenoid works, so everything is good to go in that department. I went on eBay and just ordered me an adapter to go to this and test these out, and they work just fine. So I'm just gonna get an amp adapter to D2S. Sorry, yeah, and I'm gonna just connect it to this, and the adapter will go to this, and everything will be fine. And that'll be that. And I'll probably order me an extra set of bulbs too, just in case, because I like to carry spare bulbs. I don't like to ride around with my headlights out. If I can change them, I can change them. I don't want to have to wait and order light bulbs, so I might just go ahead and do that as well. So, and the interesting thing for the day is, yeah, I had to get my serpentine belt tensioner changed. So at least something on the truck got taken care of. But that's the update. All I say is I'm glad I kept this. Yeah, these come in handy. And these things are pretty good. Like, I know they have a second version out, but I saw no problem with this. And everything worked fine when I had these installed, and I had my H11R HIDs installed. And everything worked fine. So hopefully this will smooth itself over, and I will have new lightage this week. So, well, at least by this weekend, because I might be moving. Again. Yep. But oh well, just I guess just a little update. So, and oh yeah, I did get the corner lights. I'm actually disappointed. They're not as bright as I thought they were going to be. But oh well. I'm not gonna care. I'm just gonna wing it and ride with it and be done. So yeah, it doesn't hurt none. So that's it.